Okay. I hope the video is able to there.
Warren Buffett once said, the more you learn, the more you earn. That is so true.
Look at successful people like Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, Oprah, Mark Cuban, and any other highly successful human. They are successful because they use their time right. They are successful because they are lifetime learners. They commit to learning new things every single day. Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest humans on the planet, is famous for reading more than 5 hours every day. Bill Gates reads one book per week. Mark Cuban, 3 hours a day. Oprah, well, she's just obsessed with books. Notice a common theme here? Successful people never stop learning.
Think about this. You have $86,400 to spend every single day. But when the day is over, the money disappears. You can't get it back. When you try to spend all of the money before they disappear, when you try to use it wisely, use it as best you could. The sad part is, we only have 86,400 seconds a day, and most people take this time for granted. Most people let this time disappear without a second thought. We never get this time back. We must use it wisely. We must be productive. We must use our time to do things we enjoy, or use it to set up our life so we can spend our future doing more things we want to do. Instead of wasting your time on meaningless things, use it to learn new things.
The time you spend playing video games or partying with your friends will never come back. Once you use that time, it's gone forever. Use your time wisely. Read books. Study hard and learn as much as you can. Most people give up on their dreams because it gets too hard. A lot of students stop chasing their dreams because of one failed test. Matter of fact, most students don't even try their best when they take the test because in their mind, they have already failed the test. They stop believing in themselves, and once the belief is killed, the dream is killed. If you have a dream, you must do everything to make it into reality. It doesn't matter how many times you fail a test. Never stop believing in yourself. Life itself is a test. Sometimes you will fail, but the only way you can be a failure is if you stop trying. Whatever dream you have, use all your energy to make it into reality.
Push yourself to become the person you are destined to become. If you want to get results you have never got before, you are going to have to do things you have never done before.
The richest man in the world, Bill Gates, was once asked which superpower he would like to have. The richest man in the world said that he would want the ability to read books faster. Success is not about the money, the fame, or the big house. It's about becoming the best version of yourself.
You will fall down many times on the road to success. But the most important thing is that you get back up. Get back up stronger and wiser than before. Create a mindset that does not allow you to quit or stop believing. If you quit on your dream and give up, you'll never know how great you can be. Never doubt yourself. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will.
Okay, so I welcome everybody, and really it was a rejuvenating and energizing video. It actually, started the adrenaline rush, and the voice was so powerful. Yes. So I welcome all the participants. I welcome all our center heads and the esteemed speaker for today's session. This session is going to be different because the topic itself says the magic of thinking different. So, you know, uh, it is very important as an entrepreneur or to become a successful person. We need to think out of the box, or we have to have a different mindset altogether. So, our today's session speaker, Mrs. Poonam Gupta ma'am, she's with us here, and she'll be discussing on how we can, develop our thinking, how we can develop our thinking in a different manner so that we are successful. We are not like others. We are successful. We have a different mindset altogether. She is a working partner of the firm, Insure 360 Degree. And she is an experienced financial planner, having an experience of more than 30 plus years in the industry. And she also likes to motivate young minds and make them help towards their professions, towards their careers. She has a charismatic personality and have a 21 years of experience in educational industry. She has been retired as an school principal, and then she is running her own company from last 20 years, having a large pool of network in and around the Tri-City, Chandigarh, Mohali, Panchkula. She is a chartered president of Linus Club. She also likes to mentor and guide students towards self-employment and entrepreneurship with her hard work and perseverance. She has numerous achievements and accolades, and I know her personally, so I can say, she has a different thinking altogether. So that is why I asked her to take this session for our students, for our participants, so that we can learn from her and we can move forward. So, ma'am, I'll now ask you to please start your session. And
thank you, Tanushri. You said so much about me. And I always believe, like you said 31 plus 21, so it comes to 52. Of course, I'm more than that age. I'm more than that age. So everything you said, I really take it as a compliment, and I really thank you so much.
Thank you.
While saying this is not my arrogance, that whatever you said, I take it as positive, because I strongly believe that one should believe in oneself, and whatever good is said to you, it should come back. It should come to you, right? So we can start with it. Good morning, everyone. I always say good morning because the right time has started right now. So it's time to wake up and it's time to start. So we have two type of personalities, right? One is closed, जो सोचना बाहर बस जो है अपने experience, अपनी fixed mindset जिसको हम कहते हैं ना, they don't change. And the other person is like जो भी opportunity आती है उसको positively लेके work on it and move forward. That is a growth mindset. So सबसे पहले तो if you have fixed something in your mind, आज का जब हम ये session शुरू करेंगे, just sit with an open mind, because I am 60, right? I have 4 kids, all married and settled. I have 6 grandchildren, granddaughter in +1, right? But I always believe in hard work, and I always believe that whatever comes to you, explore it. So I want you all to sit with that mindset कि जो भी मैं आज बताने वाली हूँ, मतलब उसमें कुछ अच्छा ढूंढो अपने लिए. And जो मैं बताऊंगी वो एक्चुअल में सभी बुक्स का क्रक्स है. अभी जो आपने वीडियो देखी उसमें सबसे बड़ी बात क्या बताई गई थी? हैव अ ड्रीम. सपना कौन सा होता है? जो आप सोते हुए देखते हो वो नहीं होता. सपना वो होता है जो आप जागते हुए देखते हो. बिकॉज जो सपना सोते हुए देखते हो, यू आर नॉट श्योर वो पूरा होगा या नहीं, बट जो जागते हुए देखते हो वो जरूर पूरा होगा. That will come back to you. That will come to you because you really work for that dream, right? Next, आप move कर सकते हैं इसको. Like सबसे पहला मतलब I'll be telling you 5 things. Do you have a paper and pen in your hand? Then just write down in brief. सबसे पहला जो सबसे पहली चीज है, that is trust your Lord. अपने भगवान में पूरा पूरा विश्वास रखो. सबसे पहली बात तो यह है कि आजकल के बच्चे इस चीज को बिलीव ही नहीं करते हैं. बट देयर इज सम सुपर पावर. लाइक as Tanu told you, I'm a retired principal. For 21 years, I have served the institution, and I got Best Teacher, Best Principals Award. Again, no arrogance, just to build up your confidence that whatever I'm telling you is telling you from my experience, right? So सबसे पहला है, आप जिनको भी मानते हो भगवान को, उनमें पूरा विश्वास होना चाहिए, क्योंकि whenever like I'm sitting in this room, there is nobody to take look at me, because whatever I'm telling you, my Lord is looking after it, is taking care of it, that whatever I'll tell you, it should be the best to you, right? And then second comes, believe in yourself, have a positive thinking, because if you think positive, you think different, you think outside the box, and then 100%, चाहे लाइफ में कुछ भी हो रहा हो, आज कोरोना आया हुआ है, कोविड, राइट, but believe me, whatever your dreams are, if you are positive, they will all come true. COVID will do nothing to you. Stay safe and just move for your dreams, right? And dreams, जैसे सका, follow your dreams, have a positive attitude and move forward with you for your dreams. Next is, fourth thing is, have an attitude of gratitude. Gratitude is very important. Be thankful for everything you have. सबसे बड़ी बात तो ये, you are a blessed person, you are the blessed people. Then 15 people sitting over here, of course one me and 14 of you, we are all blessed. जो आज हमारे पास है वो बाहर नहीं है, अच्छे भले हाथ पांव हैं, शक्ल है, an opportunity to talk, मतलब to listen to each other and discuss with each other. And हमारे पास आज आप अपने मन में एक बार जरूर, ये तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है, एटीट्यूड ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड, इसको तो बड़ा बड़ा लिख के ना अपने कहीं पे भी लगा लीजिए, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड एक फिफ्थ चीज जो है, राइट एफर्मेशन. नो इफ इन रियलिटी, देयर इज नो इफ वर्ड अपनी लाइफ, अपनी वोकैबुलरी में से निकाल दो, राइट? हैव एन एटीट्यूड ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड. Say right affirmations for yourself. You know the meaning of affirmations? कि जो भी हम कहते हैं ना, जैसे कई बार कहते हैं यार मैं तो बुद्धू हूं. No, you have a subconscious mind which is 70%. Have you seen an iceberg? Just ऊपर से 30% दिखता है और 70% नीचे होता है, right? Your subconscious mind is 70% and your conscious mind is just 30%. So whatever wrong you say, it goes to your subconscious mind. जब आप अपने कॉलेज जाते हो, अपने ऑफिस जाते हो, हर रोज जब ड्राइव कर रहे हो, तो हाउ डू यू ड्राइव, विद योर कॉन्शियस माइंड और सबकॉन्शियस माइंड? यू कैन राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स. तनु, आप मुझे बता सकते हैं क्या लिखा? डू यू ड्राइव विद अ कॉन्शियस माइंड और सबकॉन्शियस माइंड? एनीबडी कैन राइट. Okay.
Winnie is saying, I write it every day. She writes it every day. Yes.
सबकॉन्शियस माइंड जब हम ड्राइव करते हैं ना, जैसे तनु अपने ऑफिस गई हैं, तो वो ड्राइव करते करते कुछ और भी सोच सकती हैं, वो रास्ता उनके लिए दिमाग में प्रिंट हो गया है, राइट? सो व्हेन शी केम टू माय प्लेस, शी ड्रोव केयरफुली. दैट वाज विद कॉन्शियस माइंड. सो बी केयरफुल व्हाट यू से. ऑलवेज से पॉजिटिव फॉर योरसेल्फ. Never say anything negative for yourself, because whatever you say, it comes to you. Say right affirmations, right? It all starts with the positive thinking. Next, Tanu. We can change the slides. Tanu.
Yes.
So 12 best ways to climb the ladder of success. I'll be discussing with you, and I'll be doing it very fast, right? Because you will be getting this PPT. What I want is that after reading it, if you have any queries, we will like to discuss. So I'll request Tanu that time to unmute you all,
yes,
right?
Yes, ma'am, I will. Guys, all the participants, I request that it will be an interactive. It will be a question and answer round. There will be a question and answer round. So listen carefully, and if you have any questions regarding all these points, you can always ask after the session. Yes.
Actually, so whatever I'll be talking about your life, what you should do in your life, and how I can talk about is because of an experience as a teacher, right? As an entrepreneur also. Yes. So any idea you want to have, and as Tanu told you, आई एम सक्सेसफुल बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलवेज बिलीव्ड इन माई सेल्फ. ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरी लाइफ में चैलेंजेस नहीं आए, बट चैलेंजेस जब भी आए मैंने उनको इतनी अहमियत ही नहीं दी, उनको मैंने इतना पावर ही नहीं दी कि वो मेरे ऊपर ओवर पावर कर जाते. I always had a solution for the problems. I always looked for the solution for the problems. I never indulged myself in the solution problems कि मैं बैठ के उसको सोच के रोती रहूं या डिप्रेस हो जाऊं. नेवर 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 एवर. बहुत challenges आए मेरी लाइफ में, but the only thing that kept me moving is positive attitude. Next. Implement your ideas. सबसे पहले तो as I said, believe in yourself, right? एंड हैव एन आइडिया फॉर योर सेल्फ कि आप लाइफ में क्या करना चाहते हो. एक्चुअल में क्या है, आप जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके साथ क्या होता है, उनकी पेरेंट्स की ड्रीम्स होती हैं, कुछ फ्रेंड्स बता देते हैं ये पार्ट अच्छा है, दे आर नॉट एबल टू थिंक देमसेल्व्स कि मेरे लिए क्या अच्छा होगा, राइट? मैं किस चीज में अच्छा. सबसे पहली बात जो आपको मैंने क्या बोला था, बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ. सबसे पहले आप अपने आप को जानिए कि आपके अंदर क्या खासियत है, बिकॉज यू हैव हिडन पोटेंशियल्स. You are unstoppable. You are unstoppable because you believe in yourself. तो सबसे पहले अपने आप को जानो कि आपके अंदर क्या अच्छाई है. बुराई के बारे में नहीं सोचना. अभी एक आधी चीजें जो होती हैं वो अपने आप खत्म हो जाती हैं. When you are good and when you trust your Lord, when you do positive, you have positive attitude, you do good. वो जो कुछ गलत चीज हमारे अंदर होती है वो अपने आप खत्म हो जाती है. टाइम के साथ साथ वो बहुत इमटेरियल रह जाती है, राइट? So सबसे पहले think of what ideas you have for your life and just place yourself in that idea and see कि आप कहाँ पहुंचना चाहते हो, क्या देखना चाहते हो अपने बारे में, right? Then because जो ये आइडिया होता है ना, that is just 10%. उसका जो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन होता है, उसमें जो हार्डवर्क आप पुट इन करते हो, that is 90%. So focus on maximum percentage. मिनिमम पे जब आप आइडिया आपने अपने बारे में बना लिया, बट नाउ यू हैव टू मेक अ फ्लो चार्ट, हाउ यू वांट टू इम्प्लीमेंट दैट आइडिया, व्हाट हार्ड वर्क यू विल पुट इन इट, एंड हैव अ क्लियर विजन, क्लियर डायरेक्शन. विजन मीन्स एक विजन ऑफ सक्सेस कि मुझे कहाँ पहुंचना है. आज मैं यहाँ हूँ, टुडे आई एम 25 years old, 26 years old. At 30, at 35, 40, where would I like to be? What would be I like to have my earnings? Where do I see myself? और जब हम क्लियर विजन की बात करते हैं ना, तो जैसे आई एम अ बिग ड्रीमर, आई एम टेलिंग अबाउट माई सेल्फ, राइट? Like my dream is I'm at 60, I still dream. I have everything very good. Tanu knows, right? At 60, I want to own my own Jaguar car, right? One day I was thinking of it and I thought how I am driving it. अपने आप को I always put it in that car और मैं उसका स्टेयरिंग फील करती हूँ. एक बार तो क्या हुआ कि जब मैं I was in the morning, I have made my focus board, I have made my dream book. When you will come to me, I'll show you everything. तो एक दिन तो क्या हुआ, मॉर्निंग में जब मैं अपने काम पे जा रही थी तो I saw at least 4-5 Jaguar. So have a clear vision, because जो आप सोचते हो ना वो आपको दिखना शुरू हो जाता है, वो आपके पास आना शुरू हो जाता है. And believe me, one day I'll have. I never say Jaguar, उसके बाद आप Maybach की बात कर लीजिए, कुछ भी बात कर लीजिए. I will have all these at the age of 60 when I can think so. Can't you? Yes, you can. You can. Just believe in yourself strongly. किसी के ऊपर मत इतना बिलीव करो. Have faith in your Lord. Trust your parents and your teacher. मैंने हमेशा बच्चों को यही सिखाया. सबसे पहले आपको कौन डायरेक्शंस देता है? भगवान डायरेक्शंस देता है, जिसको हम लोग कह देते हैं लक. लक कुछ नहीं होता. कृष्णा ने भगवत गीता में क्या कहा है? कर्म करो, फल की इच्छा मत करो, है ना? आई रीड भगवत गीता एवरी डे. यू ऑल्सो रीड. आप कहोगे 24 साल 20 साल की उम्र में मैम अभी से? यस, दैट इज अ प्रोफेशनल बुक. जब आप मेरे पास आओगे आई विल गिफ्ट यू, राइट? सो सबसे बड़ी बात है, ट्रस्ट योर लॉर्ड, हैव फेथ इन योर पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो, बिकॉज उनसे ज्यादा अच्छा आपके लिए कोई नहीं सोच सकता. they always want to see you at a height. अगर आपके पापा कोई किसी ऑफिस में हेड है तो they always want to see you as a CEO, right? They always want to see you at a better position than them, right? So have a clear idea what you want to do for yourself, then have a clear vision and stay motivated. जब भी आपको लग रहा है ना आज कुछ डिप्रेसिंग हो गया है, इस टाइप की वीडियोस आपको यूट्यूब पे बहुत मिल जाएंगी, मोटिवेशनल, राइट? गो थ्रू देम. एंड अगर फेलियर आता है ना, फेलियर डजंट मीन्स अगर सक्सेस होगा तो आपको पता ही नहीं होगा कि फेल होना क्या होता है, राइट? जब फेलियर आता है ना, तो अगर तो आप उससे फेलियर्स को देख के शांत होके बैठ गए, डिप्रेस होके बैठ गए, देन द लाइफ इज एंड. Life has come to an end in professionalism, right? But if you fail and then you restart, you know कि मैं किस reason से fail हुआ था, I'll not repeat it. Don't repeat. That is called an experience. जो हमारा failure होता है वो हमें experience देता है, right? So learn from your failures and then move ahead, maybe 10 times, 15 times, 20 times. Don't stop. Be unstoppable. रुकना नहीं है. जहां भी रुक गए वहां पे ही लाइफ रुक जाती है हमारी. You have to constantly work to achieve goals, and your goals should be smart goals. Smart की definition देखो, specific. Smart का मतलब ये है मैं बस कुछ भी ऐसा बन जाऊं जिसमें लाख रुपया महीने की इनकम हो जाए या 2 लाख रुपए महीने की इनकम हो जाए. You have to be specific. तनु पिछली स्लाइड, 4th स्लाइड. स्मार्ट होनी चाहिए, मेजरेबल. थिंग्स विच गॉट मेजर्ड आर अचीव्ड. जिस चीज को आप मेजर ही नहीं कर सकते हो, राइट, कि आज आपने जो किया उससे आपको कहां पे आप पहुंच रहे हो, अचीवेबल होने चाहिए, राइट? आज आप अभी कॉलेज पास किया है या स्कूल पास किया और आप सोचो जी बस मैं तो CEO ऑफ द कंपनी बन गया. नो, यू विल बिकम, बट मेक गोल्स फॉर दैट. स्पेसिफिक, मेजरेबल. थिंक ऑफ कि मुझे क्या कोर्स करना है, मुझे क्या पढ़ना है लाइफ में, और ये मुझे कहाँ लेके जाएगा. एंड अचीवेबल होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आज मैं सोचूं कि मुझे तो ना पायलट बनना है, राइट? यू नो दैट टू बिकम अ पायलट यू नीड lots of huge money. Maybe right now you have or you do not have, but if you have, if that is your passion, you keep it in your mind, but achieve something which can lead you to your dream. Hello, Tanu, am I audible? Hello.
Yes मैम, बीच में रुक गया था थोड़ा सा ना आपका ये. Yes.
मेरा ना ये इंटरनेट यहाँ पे लाइट चल. एक सेकंड, जस्ट अ मोमेंट.
मैम अभी we have only 8 minutes left for the session.
Okay, okay.
हाँ, तो I would
yeah, you can move on. मेरी आवाज तो आ रही है ना?
Yes, आवाज आ रही है.
हाँ, move on. Then be a great player. And team player means team player makes you visible. Credibility आपकी बनती है, and that leads to your profitability. We says VCP. Visibility leads to your credibility, leads to your profitability. And for that you have to have innovation, success, evaluation of what you are doing. Then you have to develop in that direction. Growth and solution, progress in marketing, that leads to, and for all these things you need teamwork. Next, Tanu.
Ma'am, visibility, credibility, and P is for
profitability.
Okay.
Your visibility leads to credibility. अगर आप visible हो, अगर आपको जो काम दिया गया आप उससे ज्यादा करते हो तो you are visible, you are a leader, right? And that leader role leads to your credibility. आपकी people start trusting you, believing you. And if they start trusting you, believing, they will give you more work, which you can do it. They know that you can do it. And that leads to profitability, your profitability. You achieve your goals. Then growing business. VCP leads to growing business. Where you start, where you are, use what you have, do what you can. मैंने जैसे आपको पायलट का बोला, तो अभी हमें वो सोचना है आज हमारे पास रिसोर्सेज क्या है, इनको हम कितनी जल्दी कैसे डेवलप कर सकते हैं, राइट? उनको ही यूज करके हमें आगे बढ़ना है. we have to add little in it जिससे हमें stress ना हो, and then we start achieving it, we can move ahead. And then never stop learning. That was the video. Keep yourself educating. That was a like Warren Buffett and Bill Gates, they read every day. Readers are leaders. Read good books which will keep you motivating, which will give you good ideas to move ahead. And then be unique. Be unique means आज आप सब जो यहाँ बैठ के सुन रहे हो, you people are something different from the outside world. जो बाहर घूम रहे हैं, जिनको डायरेक्शन नहीं पता, you are sitting here, you want to take some directions, right? Maybe I'll be able to give you, I am trying my best to give you the directions. The only thing is you will have to implement that. So be unique, because never skip until you reach your, never stop until you reach your destination. That makes you unique. Hard work, perseverance to achieve great life. You want to have a good life or great life? There is a difference. Good life is खाना पीना मिल रहा, सब कुछ अच्छा, किसी चीज की कमी नहीं है. Great life is जिस चीज में जो आपका सपना था वो सब पूरा हो रहा है, and you are able to contribute to the society also. You have that power, right? Then deal with problems. Let problems never stop you, right? Next slide. Be solution oriented.
Wait, ma'am, I'm just admitting there are people who are waiting in the waiting room also.
So learn to deal with the problems, because problems, if you have a positive attitude, you will never stop with the problems. You will always find a solution. As I told you, I had so much of challenges and problems in my life, but I never stopped. I always asked my Lord, my Krishna, right, to guide me. And believe me, when I left to him to guide me right, I got the idea and I never stopped. So, एक word आपने सुना है, impossible. उसमें क्या है? I am possible. The only thing is, एक ग्लास है, उसमें आधा पानी है, आपने बहुत बार सुना होगा. उसको आप कैसे देखते हो? ये तो आधा खाली है. नहीं, ये आधा भरा हुआ है, right? I am possible. Impossible, never read impossible as impossible. It is I am possible. There is a possibility. Just find a solution to it. So deal with your problems. Then plan well. आपका आइडिया है जिसको आप इम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहते हो, उसकी प्लानिंग प्रॉपर करो. अब प्लानिंग का मतलब है, आपने मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, आपने सुना होगा, जो भी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट्स होते हैं उसमें फ्लो चार्ट होता है, राइट? फिर कहाँ से क्या प्रोसेस होगा, करते करते फिनिश गुड बन जाता है, राइट? सो इज योर ड्रीम. प्लान वेल.
I think we have lost the connection. Okay, ma'am, video, yes, frozen, yes, yes. Let me ask Megha ma'am to take it. Okay, I hope all the participants are really enjoying the different, the 12 ways of improving their lives and how to get through them, because, having a person with 30 plus years of experience, not only in educational industry, but also as an entrepreneur. So she is sharing her own the life learnings, and she's giving us the रस, कहते हैं ना कि अपने life का जो पूरा निचोड़ है, she's giving that. So we are really lucky to have her, and she's giving us the whole crux of her life. So I would like to take it further, in which okay, ma'am is back again. Okay, right, she's back. Yes, it is really relevant to current times and motivation. Thank you, Rashmika. So, ma'am, I think she's back. She just joined, but I cannot. Right. So, as she was saying that, okay. Hello, ma'am. I just.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Wait. Unmute. I'm not able to. Ma'am, just wait. Yeah, yes, unmuted you. We just have 2 minutes left. So if we can, yeah, unmuted now. No problem. Ma'am, you can.
सबसे बड़ी बात क्या है? Believe in yourself. Next, you can say taking risk. Right. Last slide is taking risk.
Yes.
Because unless and until you take risk, you won't get the reward. Right.
Yes.
और सबका जो crux है, use your time wisely. Right. And you are the best version of yourself. Just you. Just believe in yourself. That is, I like the iceberg illusion. Success ऊपर दिख रहा है हमें, but उसके नीचे क्या क्या गया है? हमारा dedication, hard work, good habits, disappointments भी आई, but we never stopped. Sacrifice we have to make. Failures आए, उससे हमने सीखा, हमारा experience बढ़ा, and we were persistent. Right? We never stopped. That leads to success. Success is an iceberg, which is just 30% seen, but 70% work is done down, right? So believe in yourself. Believe in yourself is aaj ka nara. Believe in yourself. You can do it.
Right.
So time you can connect me. Danu can share my number and all. And
Yes,
if you have anything to discuss right now, we can take up.
Yes, any in the audience, anybody has a question, please, you're free to ask from ma'am. And don't worry, I'll be sharing you the video. And if you want, we can, again, start this session. We can, anybody has a question, I'll unmute them if you have any question.
एक बार सबको unmute कर दो if they want to ask anything.
Yes, ma'am, I'll just unmute them. Okay, those who joined late, ma'am has shared her experiences and she has given us the crux